To edit slow motion video on the Samsung A07, just open the gallery and now just open your slow motion video. Now all you have to do is just to click on the pencil icon, and now as you can see, if you want to change the time of the slow motion, you can make it by using these lines to the left or the right side. So now as you can see, the slow motion part will be available only from this to this. And now we can play this, and as you can see, it's playing this in the slow motion. If we go on this line, then it just speed up. So you can just simply control the slow motion speed like you want. Additionally, you can also turn off sound. If you don't want to get this sound, you can just simply select no. You can also get video sound or add soundtrack. From your downloads, you can import something if you want. There we go. If I want to get, for example, the iPhone sound, I can get it, click done. And now, as you can see, I can click to add soundtrack. I mean, I already did it, but over here, we have to go for it one more time. Click on it. It will be applied just like this. And now we have to click save to apply those changes and just wait for that saving process. And after a few seconds, you can just play your video with a sound that you applied.